Guys, thank you so much. My name is Fen, and I'm the VP of Business Development for Sepio Systems. Sepio is a cybersecurity company, and we are focused on hardware access control, and I'll explain exactly what it is in a second. We provide visibility, control, and mitigation. A bit about Sepio. So, Sepio was founded in 2016 by a group of cyber experts. This is the third company. They have already two successful exits in their portfolio. The headquarters is located in Rockville, Maryland. We are a SaaS solution, and we have on-prem solution as well. We have a US proxy board and a very interesting board of advisory that combine former government officials and market leaders as well. So what are the problems that we are focused on? As you can see, there are four different legs, as we call it. We start with visibility. As a cybersecurity company, we want to provide the extreme visibility of all hardware assets of organizations. So it includes peripherals, IT devices, OT devices, and IoT devices. Once we gain this visibility, we help the organization to control their hardware assets. We have our zero trust hardware access solution that helps the organization to force policy either by using our tool or using third-party tools. The third one is actually pretty unique to us. It's a raw device mitigation. We know how to detect hidden implants and manipulated devices that are connected into your network, and in some cases, and in many, from our experience, it happens a lot, shadow ITs. The last one is actually supply chain security, and that's a great challenge here in the US, especially for the US government. And we know how to detect hardware manipulation. We can help with the CMMC enforcement, and we know how to detect all the Chinese devices that are connected and deployed in a very big network, easy and fast. So in order to do that, Sepio came up with a new approach. As you can see in this slide, in the chart on the right side, Sepio is focused from layer 1 to layer 3. But what's unique in Sepio is that basically we use the physical layer. And when I'm talking about the physical layer, I'm talking about impedance, voltage, current, and other electrical elements that you can find in the physical layer. We know how to analyze them, and once we analyze them, we create a unique fingerprint per device. So each device has its own fingerprint. So we don't really care, and we don't really detect devices by the traffic or by the MAC address or their vendor ID, product ID. We actually detect them by their electrical signature. In that way, we can see everything. We do not monitor the traffic, and we cannot be spoofed. We don't need any baseline or any kind of allowed list. And on top of that, we don't share our database with other solutions. It's also not relevant to them. And in less than 24 hours, we bring ultimate visibility. So how all this works? So we have two solutions, one for the network, one for the endpoint. The network solution is an agentless solution. Basically, we pull all the physical layer information from sensors from the switches that we are using as a sensor. And for the endpoints, it's an agentless or an agent-based. And again, we pull all the physical layer information. We do not look on proprietary information whatsoever. So all the data is a raw metadata is being set to our HAC1. This is our GUI, this is our server, our platform, where all the magic is happening, the fingerprinting together with machine learning and big data in order to provide this visibility, control, and mitigation of the hardware assets in the organization. The solution can be deployed on-prem or on cloud, and we have integrations with other tools out there like ForceCloud, Cisco ICE, Splunk, Palo Alto, Demisto, and many others. So in order to conclude, what are the benefits eventually for an organization that use our solution? First of all is hardware visibility and extreme hardware visibility. We see everything, nothing can hide. The second is actually zero trust of hardware control. Everything that is connected from the first millisecond, we know how to detect and block if necessary. The third one is hardware vulnerabilities. We know how to provide you much more insight into your hardware, and of course, mitigate risk. And the last one is a fast and easy deployment. In 24 hours, we'll provide you the visibility and security from all of your hardware assets, okay? So that's basically the benefit that Sepio provides. I want to thank you, Raj, for the opportunity. And if anyone would like to reach out to me, this is my email, chanby@sepio.system. Thank you so much.